Taking as examples these wonderful women, we should take as precious pearls and give them. We should take a girl child as precious pearls and give them same rights and freedom as a boy. We should respect every girl just as we respect our mothers. Thank you.
From the past few centuries, girls have become a topic of discussion and debate. It is really shocking that even in the 20th century, when we call ourselves highly civilized, cultured and educated, girls have been always neglected. There is a common misconception that girls are liability to the family, and hence every year we see many girl child deaths. Girls are the future mother. They generate life in the earth. So they should be considered as the most special being of nature, capable of giving life which no man can do. Be it education or earning in any field, girls have already shown themselves. When they will grow up, we should say girls like goddesses, because when they will grow up, they will be Lakshmi well, Parvati power and Saraswati knowledge. Girls are boon, not a curse of the society. So remember that only few people get a daughter. Lucky people only get this bundle of joy. Every girl is a lucky and she is very special like precious gems. So we should collectively work and protect girls, save them and educate them. Save girls, educate girls. Beti bachao, beti padhao. Thank you.
Charu Bajaj from class 5th B, and today I am going to give you a speech on girls are precious pearls. Girls are loving, caring, sensitive, unique and are full of grace. We need some safe space so that we can explore, create and show our talent to the whole world. For parents, both son and daughter are precious. But according to me, daughters are more precious for their parents. I, being a girl, a very proud daughter for my parents, a precious pearl. I think I am more precious than a pearl. God has granted us some special powers that includes patience, determination and devotion. We do it with whole heart, with patience, whole determination and full devotion. All these qualities makes us precious, and when we are polished and encouraged by our parents, teachers and our society, then sky is our limit. No one can stop us to aim high and achieve our goals. Thank you.
Respected teachers and dear friends, I am Kircha and I am going to speak about girls are precious gems. Dear friends, since many years, people are talking about equality of gender. My question to you all is it really happening? We read news in the newspaper that the baby has been killed because it was a girl child. In many villages and in some societies of the cities as well, many people think a girl child is a big curse. To me, this is a very shameful statement. The people, those who think that, should understand that they are on this earth because of a woman. As the rock passes through many different phases before turning into a gem, in the same way, a girl also passes through many different phases in her life. To sacrifice is her basic nature. You see her from childhood. When she is a child, she has to sacrifice her toys for her brother. When she grows up, she has to sacrifice her room, studies, belongings for her brother. Once she is married, she has to sacrifice her own surname, home, parents, friends, etc. Once she is a mother, she has to sacrifice her hobbies, health, work, almost everything for her child. You all know the saying, there is a woman behind every successful man. kindness. So, to conclude everything, girls are priceless. Really, girls are precious gems.
I want to discuss something on a very serious topic, which is girls are pearls. My question to the people of this world is, are girls really equal to the boys? I think so girls are not equal to the boys. This all is just written in the books. It is man-dominating society where men are considered superior than the girls. As we know, the girls are killing by their parents because they give preference to boys, and people generally think that girls can crush, but it is not a fact. Parents do not spend money on their daughter. They always let their daughter study, having thought that their daughter will leave them one day. But girls can competition with boys in any field, and even they can do better than the boys. I think we must raise boys against those doctors who are killing innocent girls before their births, and we must raise boys against those parents who go for abortion. We should think about that without a girl, a man is incomplete, a house is incomplete, and this whole world is incomplete. So I request you to please save girls' child and never cross them.
Hello friends, my name is Arya Mukherjee and I am here to discuss about a serious topic, which is girls are precious gems. Girls are the most beautiful thing created by God. They make our family a happy place with their love. They can produce a new life on this earth. That's why they are called moms. And not only inside the house, girls can do wonders outside also. Like America.
Good morning friends and respected teachers. I am Arun from class 4th B is going to say on my topic, that is girls are precious girls. Being a girl is never easy. She has to sacrifice for her families and others. Girl is a daughter of a parent, sister of a brother, her wife or husband, mother of a child, and many responsibilities for survive in the world. From the starting, all people kill the girl child. They think that girl is bad for them. Today, some people think that from rural areas that girl are burden for them, but they don't know that girl are burden. No, they are doing better than boys, whether in sports, education, or politics, etc. Example: Mary Kom, Kalpana Chawla, Indira Gandhi, etc. In future, girl is in future they run our family as mother. Without whom we can't imagine our life. So everyone should support and